Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to show you how I made these bathroom items. I finished this bathroom a couple of weeks ago, and since I didn't want to leave it empty, I made some miniature beauty products and decorations to fill the storage spaces, like the drawers and this mirror cabinet that, as you can see, has a sliding door. If you're interested to see the tutorial for the bathroom itself, you can join my Patreon community and watch it there. I posted a video of how I made the wall, sink and shower and so on, and a separate tutorial for the water taps and the shower heads. Feel free to click the link in the description box and head over to my Patreon page to support me and my channel and to get access to exclusive content. I also used some items from previous videos, which you can watch on my YouTube channel. If you like this tutorial, feel free to let me know in the comment section and give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to watch more videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel, follow Fun & Craft on Instagram and on TikTok. I want to say a huge thank you to my patrons for supporting me. Here you can see me making an organizer for one of the drawers. I'm using popsicle sticks and wood glue, and then I went ahead and made miniature makeup, lotion bottles and stuff like hairspray. To make these products I mainly used drinking straws, hot glue, nail varnish, tape, toothpicks and random pictures that I cut out of newspaper or I printed out myself.